pioneering move to establish the first GPHE assembly center in Saudi is a game changer for the industries. We are supporting country's manufacturing sectors with most effective and efficient heat transfer technologies they need for their plants. We decided to take proactive steps to cater to the expected demand increase for PHEs. We believe the closeness to our customer in Saudi will help meet their requirements and as well as incorporate their needs in future. The facility enhances the security of plant uptime, boosts productivity for customers as delivery of assembled units will be faster. Localizing the assembly process further asserts our commitment to sustainability. C-ship components and faster response to orders will significantly reduce air freight. We cut down carbon emission linked to the transportation and be quicker in our delivery. Frame component assembling requires precise lifting and tightening tools for safer assembly operation. We have competent and certified technicians trained to install gaskets in the right way to ensure proper performance of the unit and to avoid leakages. We apply the proper hanging list and carry forward meticulous inspections while hanging the plates. We follow Alfa Laval standard tightening procedure to right A measurement as this is very critical part in our assembly line. Finally, we perform the leak test to validate the integrity of the equipment. We conduct the final quality check on the newly assembled equipment and add new nameplate to it. The new unit is packed and ready to be shipped out from our assembly center. Our PHE assembly center in Saudi marks a significant shift towards more responsible and responsive industrial practices, setting a new standard for innovation and environmental stewardship. We are not only focused on meeting the current needs, but we are also committed to shaping sustainable future for our customers and the industries we serve.